Okay, so it's March 16th, and I've trimmed off a bunch of the fronds of this palm I'm going to transplant. I've dug it out already, and tomorrow we're going to move this thing. I just watered down the root ball. I'm going to cut some more fronds off of it. It's a nice Trachycarpus fortunei, and it's still going to be pretty heavy. I'm going to get the hand dolly in there, and then I'm going to back my truck into here and get it on the truck. That's going to be the chore. Harder than digging it, that's for sure. It's a nice trunk on that one. It's got, I guess it's about 7 feet of trunk. Trachycarpus fortunei on Salt Spring Island. Thanks for watching.
So here we are at the site, and they're asked Joe to remove their palm.
Over top of it to keep it dry, water
Yeah,
it down.
overnight.
Just to keep it moist, I mean the root ball from drying out. And so now we're going to move it into the truck. Which is going to be the fun part.
How tall is it?
Huh?
How tall would you say?
12
It's
feet?
pretty tall.
Yeah. The trunk is like,
and it's really
oh
heavy.
Wow. Oops.
So I'm going to pull
Look
it.
at that diameter, Wendy. That's over a foot.
That's what she said.
Yeah, really. The girth.
You know I could say one more
It has
thing.
girth.
Can I say one more thing?
You can say whatever you
And
want.
you know how I wouldn't have
Marie
heard you,
wants
right?
to say
Wouldn't hurt me.
something.
And then she woke up and it was the dream. It was all just a dream.
But you know how to take me,
I can
right?
totally
Okay,
take-
good.
I can take-
I didn't think you were this frail little man.
Oh, I'm not afraid.
Okay, good.
So he has Marie,
Sweet Marie. I'm
Joe,
going to pull
and
the
me.
truck ahead a little bit.
And we're helping him today, or as best we can.
Go on the other side.
I have to flip this back on the dolly.
Oh my God.
That's what I mean. It's heavy.
There we go.
Oh,
It's heavy.
okay.
Okay.
I'm going to cut some more fronds off.
There. Oh my God.
It's
like a
beautiful.
perfect little root ball.
Isn't it crazy?
It is.
Dug it out too.
The biggest
Oh my
ones I took
God.
was Miles Wilson about 12 years ago. Was 25 feet tall. Weighed 1,750 pounds. I used crane truck, right? Brian Dawes crane truck.
Yes.
I took 2 of them out and I planted them for Miles.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Oh, you should
I've
go
taken
by the truck.
Yeah, stand by
You're
the
saying
park.
goodbye.
Let's say goodbye.
Come in here.
Be
Come in the picture,
little
Joe.
video.
Yeah.
Miss Julie.
And you're in
Campbell.
purple.
She's giving. She's
Oh, it's
saying
St.
goodbye to her.
Patrick's
I should
Day.
be in green.
Oh,
though,
should
right?
be.
But that's okay.
But
It's
we're
okay.
doing a St. Patrick's
She's
Day.
got the
palm
green
is green.
palm.
The
Yeah.
palm,
palm
is
is
green.
green.
No, it's fine. You can
Oh,
take
yeah.
big palms with small root balls. It's crazy how they transplant, eh? Okay, so now I'm going to have to tie this thing down.
There you go. Good job.
So let's tie this. I'll give you my card, Jill.
No, nothing.
Here,
Perfect. Oh,
let me move your tiki for you. Let's put it up by your house. It's really heavy.
Huh?
I was telling her, I said, if you see or hear a complaint that there's crazy people stealing trees, you know nothing about it.
Ah, that's right. No.
We blend, don't we, today?
Do you see anything? See his palm, massive palm going down the road?
That's how it's done. 2 strong ladies helping one fella move the palm. Thanks to Marie and Wendy. I would have never got that thing in the truck. That thing, it probably, okay, I'm going to guess it probably weighed over 700 pounds. It's heavy. Really heavy, and we did it, and it didn't take us that long. I dug it out yesterday, and then we had a plan in place. So this was up the back of the truck. I backed up to the palm. We used the dolly, put it under the root ball, and then hoofed her into place. It was actually harder getting it out of the truck. It was harder getting it out of the truck into that hole. So now what we're doing, we're putting good soil with it, root stimulator, and Wendy's, that's probably good enough. So now I'm gonna put some good soil with it and put some more root stimulator. It dropped out of the fence pretty good, onto the fence.
We're gonna break the branches.
Yeah. No, it looks good. No petioles broken, no fronds damaged. It was a successful palm move on Salt Spring Island. It is St. Patrick's Day. And none of us are wearing green, but we have a green palm tree. There we go, green palm tree. All right, it's in front of Wendy's studio. All right, and I already prepared the hole. I always prepare the hole first. Thanks for watching, guys.